faketones.com.
Okay, so I'm going to fly PWII I again. Right now, PWII I is flying a lot better than PWII II. More straighter, level. Okay, here he goes. Stay low, Peewee. Stay low, Peewee. You're too high. Stay low. Come down a little. Hi, PWII I. God, he flies so much better. A lot better. Wow. Amazed. I'm amazed. He wasn't flying for a year because I thought he had like propeller problems, but it was the chip. So I put the old chip that was in PWII II inside PWII I, and I put the new one in PWII II. But PWII II is like not flying straight and level like PWII I over here. He's doing great. Bravo, Peewee. Alright, go out and then come in for a landing because I think my camera battery is going. Okay, come in for a smooth landing, Peewee. A smooth one. I took the screws. I had two screws, one here and one here on PWII II. So I think he had too much weight in the front. So let's see how he flies now. Let's see if that made a difference. Because he kept doing loops. I don't know, that's weird. Made it worse. Uh-oh, no good. Uh-oh, no good. No good. Come in for a landing, Peewee. Okay, so I'm flying PWII I again. PWII I is flying better than PWII II. Ready? A lot better. A 100 times better. Hi, Peewee. Hi, PWII I. This is my first C-17 Globemaster 3 RC, and I haven't been using him for over a year because I thought he had engine trouble. The computer chip, I thought it wasn't working, but now I switched computer chips with PWII number 2, and I put it in PWII I, and he's flying great. Matter of fact, better than PWII II. PWII II has can't stay straight, he can't keep a level, and he like makes these crazy loops. So I have to figure out what that is about. So far, PWII I is awesome, but he's so worn out. Hi, Peewee. The gust of wind is coming. Hi, Peewee. Don't go up too high. Yeah, all of a sudden the gust of wind came. Stay low, Peewee. Okay, this is Peewee II. I took the 2 screws off of the front of his the nose, and I think that affected him. All right, so watch what happens. He takes off right away. Ready? Look. Try it again. All right, ready? I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take off sideways. Ready? I'm going to take off this way for change. Ready? Uh-oh. That affected it, right? The wind is pulling him. I'm going to try it again. I think it's the wind. I think the wind is doing it. No good. He's wobbling. Alright, so obviously the weight in the front helped. Because he's wobbling, see? Look, it's no good. I have to figure out what the problem is.